Algorithmic trading is the use of computer programs to automate buy and sell orders in financial markets based on preset instructions. At its core, this is about removing human emotion and speed constraints from the execution of investment strategies. Today, a massive portion of all market activity is handled by these systems, moving billions of dollars every single day. Algorithms follow strict logic. When specific market conditions are met, the computer executes the trade instantly without needing human approval. While manual traders rely on their own research and reaction, algorithmic systems rely on programmed logic to maintain discipline. The primary advantage is speed. Algorithms can react to market news and price changes before a human could even read the headline. Remember that an algorithm is only as good as the logic behind it. It is a tool for speed, not a guarantee of success. Understanding how markets operate behind the scenes helps you become a more informed investor. Thanks for watching.